This person earned 16% with us. This person's up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. $4,300 in just a week. $2,100 in 3 days. This person's first 3 trades were $500, $5,200, and $4,300 using these indicators. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining me in today's trading video. We're going to show you a video tutorial of exactly how we use our TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators along with our risk management strategy to earn 132 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Absolutely insane, 100% win rate. And I'll show you how you can verify that win rate yourself later in this video. As a heads up, the tools that you need for this video are in the description down below. It's the second link labeled indicators. A couple of things before we get started. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is simply an educational video to show you how we at Trade Confident manage, enter, and exit our trades. With that, let's get started. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, and this is going to be trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Let me go over what each indicator is used for, and then I'll show you how we find our entries and exits in the market. First up, the indicator I'm always watching is the price versus whale money flow. Now, what this indicator is going to do is actually track where whale money is moving in the market. If you see it moving up, this means whales are buying, and most often, as you can see here, will correlate to moves up. But if you see the price versus while money flow trending downwards, this means that whales are selling, and this is going to correlate to drops in the market. It is as simple as that with this indicator. Now, if you see a bottom, this most likely means that whales have oversold and are likely to begin moving back into the market. This is the first signal we're looking at for an entry into the market. So here's number 1. Next, we're going to be looking at the trades in favor. This is quite simply going to show you which kind of trade is in favor, whether it's the long trades or the short trades. This is mainly used to track momentum in the markets. Now, as you can see here, as we approach the short trade zone, we have a 60% chance of a drop. This is very slightly bearish. It's actually going to show you the exact chances wherever it is in the market. And what you're looking for as an entry is for this to be around a 70% chance of a drop, ideally within the long trade zone, which would actually mean a minimum 80% chance of a drop. So if you see right here, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, especially within the long trade zone, this is going to be extremely bullish. This is your first signal and your second signal. Lastly, we're going to be watching the TC top and bottom finder. Now, if you receive a buy signal, or as you can see way back here, a strong buy signal, both of these typically indicate pretty significant moves up are incoming. So this is going to be your third signal. If you get confluence here, if you get price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal, most often this is going to create significant moves up, and this is exactly what we saw. Congratulations to anyone that saw this potential entry and made that trade. Now, when looking for exits, you're going to be looking for the opposite. You want to see whale money high. This means whales have overbought and are likely to begin moving money back out of the market, which correlates to drops. Then you want to see trades in favor high, ideally within the short trade zone, and you want to see a sell signal. We got local highs over here, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high with a sell signal, and the price is actively dropping. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell, crazy move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Easy as that, and this consistency is why we use these indicators every single day. Now, as a bonus, these indicators come with alerts. You can actually turn on an alert here, create one. What you're going to want to do is use the TC top and bottom finder. You're going to want to select buy, and then once per bar close, go ahead and name it. And what this is going to do is let you know as soon as a buy signal posts. Now, if we go here and switch back to the TC top and bottom finder again, you actually have the option between a buy, sell, strong buy, and strong sell signal. So you can decide which alerts you want to know about depending on which direction the market is heading. If you get an alert from one of those signals, Be sure to check the price versus money flow and trades in favor before making any trades. Remember, the more signals you have, the more consistency you have, the more likely that move is to happen. Now, one last part before I show you how we manage risk in our membership trades. You can actually switch between time frames to see smaller or larger movements in the market. Here on the 4-hour time frame, we could see much smaller signals. We do see price versus money flow low. We see trades in favor low. No buy signal here, but we did see moves up. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, crazy moves up. And the ideal sell was with price versus money flow high. It trades in favor high with a sell signal there. Now, the signals that you see from the price versus money flow and trades in favor indicators typically play out within 1 to 6 candles. And on the 4-hour time frame, this means within 24 hours, any signals that you see should play out. On the 1 day, this translates to 1 to 6 days. But on the 1 week, this translates to 1 to 6 weeks. Absolutely crazy. So you can use different time frames to show overarching themes. As you can see here, price versus money flow is high, trades in favor is high. We see sell and strong sell signals. So the 1 week time frame is actually extremely bearish right now. So that means to me, on the 1 day time frame, while we may see a little bit of a move up here, larger time frames indicate a much larger drop is incoming. So that's how you use multiple time frames in your trades. Now I want to talk to you about risk management. What you're going to want to do is go into the settings of the TC top and bottom finder, enable show take profit, market order, buy limit 1 and buy limit 2. Click OK. And this is going to bring up a list of lines right here. Now, rather than market order all of our money into the market at once, what we're going to do instead is split our trades into 3 equal parts. The first part will actually be market order just so you have some skin in the game. So if the price moves up, you can profit. But second part is going to go into buy limit 1. Third part is going to go into buy limit 2. Now, the reason for this is rather than using a stop loss that'll actually make you lose all your money if it's crossed, buy limit 1 and 2 are going to help you buy the dip and actually put you in much better positions if the market drops. It's a little bit of a longer term trade strategy, but it has been extremely successful for us. Now, if you've been watching my videos recently, you know we're expecting, as I showed you on the 1 week time frame, some pretty significant drops, somewhere around the $31,800 range. But let's say first you decide to market order into the market. You enter at $43,000, you set your take profit. This is about 4%, not about, it's actually exactly 4%. You can adjust that value right here. 1.04 equals 4% take profit. So make sure to set your take profit once you have your market order in. This way, if the price increases and goes above that line, you automatically exit, take your profit, and set up for the next trade. But let's say Bitcoin actually tanks all the way down to that $33,000 level that we see at buy limit 1. Now, instead of the price having to rise all the way back up to your take profit, your break even is actually going to be significantly lower, somewhere right around halfway between your market order and your buy limit 1. And on top of this, you've now doubled your initial investment, and this means you're going to go into profit faster with significantly more profit potential. Now, I don't think this is going to happen, but on Bitcoin, if we drop below buy limit 2 here at around $23,700, this further lowers your break even and triples your initial investment, keeping you in profit faster with significantly more profit potential. Now, these combination of signals along with this exact risk management strategy is exactly how we've earned 132 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. If we go over to our trade page, you can see tons and tons of 4% profits over and over and over again, so many of them. And as we get closer and closer to the bull run, we've actually been taking larger trades. We have a 10% trade here. We have a couple of 6%. We got some 8% trades. And as we scroll down, we've actually hit a 15% trade. Now today we actually won an ApeCoin trade. The ApeCoin trade right here for a 5% win was called out on January 18th. We didn't hit any buy limits or anything like that. In fact, you're going to see since our strategy start date on February 22nd, we've had 111 of our 132 trade wins go straight up to take profit. We didn't even need to worry about our risk management. It's always important to have though, because 21 of those 132 trades did require risk management, but all of them came back into profit, and we've maintained our 100% trade win streak. That is exactly why we use this risk management strategy in addition to our state-of-the-art indicators. So you've seen how we enter our trades, how we exit our trades, and how we manage our risk. It's really a simple strategy and very hands-off, ideal for traders who can't be at the screen all day and don't mind waiting a little bit extra time to maximize their profit. If you want to get access to these indicators, we've actually got them for you up to $550 off. Absolutely insane what we've been able to do. And if you want to get access, let me show you how. The links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out here, but you're actually going to want to snag a membership first. Click this link. And the reason you're going to want to do this is members get significant discounts. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. And you're going to get access to all of our trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, additional trading data, and you can join us for our future forecast videos. Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about leveraged and short trades using Bitcoin and Ethereum futures on Coinbase. This is members only content. You do not want to use that if you want to enhance your trades even further than what this tutorial shows. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, go to the indicator link. It's going to be the second one. Pro indicator page is what you're looking for. I'm going to scroll down here. This person earned 16% with us. This person's up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. $4,300 in just a week. $2,100 in 3 days. This person's first 3 trades were $500, $5,200, and $4,300 using these indicators. Right here, Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Once again, members get a massive discount. Access the coupon code at this link. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code right here, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.